Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. MATIC basically still in the same scenario that we talked about in the last video, where we are coming down here since the high, from the high, which I currently count as a B wave. We're now coming down in a so-called diagonal pattern to the downside. We've got here on the chart a wave 1 here, a wave 2 there. Here a wave 3, which bottomed at around 76 cents. Here a wave 4 to the upside. It has reached the resistance range now. Could turn over at any moment, but also could move a bit higher, all the way up to, first of all, 91 cents, ideally. Maybe pushing all the way up to 95, 96. That's also a resistance here, not only a fib resistance, but also a structural resistance, as you can see here. And we would then come down further. That is currently the primary expectation, especially as most recently we dropped below the 83.5 cent level. That was a level where I told you that it is most likely if we break below that level, we will come down further. Now we have recovered since then again, but at the moment the recovery looks corrective to me. And the fact that we dropped below that 83.5 cent level invalidated one likely bullish option or immediately bullish option, because let's face it, there's nothing bearish in this chart until we drop below 47 cents. Is a breakout from here directly possible? Yes, that would be possible as well. I can't really see that. It's not too likely for me, but it's possible. Yeah, I'd be lying to you if I say it's not possible. But obviously we can only look for the most ideal patterns. For you, it's important to understand that we are here in a resistance or at a resistance point. We dropped down to the 38.2% fib level of the wave 1. Yeah, we dropped into the retracement, the 38.2% fib level here a few days ago. That was at 77 cents and we bounced off it. But we since then haven't made higher highs or higher lows. So generally the trend is still down, and also from an Elliott Wave point of view, it currently suggests here a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down, a wave 4 up, and there should now be a wave 5 down. This could also become a wider triangle. However, I wouldn't really know in which kind of wave pattern it should be. Therefore, I have ruled out the triangle option, because a triangle in a wave 2 is not possible. It could be some kind of a B wave maybe, but it doesn't really make too much sense to me, the triangle option here. So I'm rather looking at a diagonal to the downside, so-called diagonal pattern where waves 1 and 4 can overlap. And also, well, yeah, I think this is sort of what I think is likely. There's another option, but it doesn't really change the overall, let's say, chart. Yeah, it doesn't change the scenario too much. That would simply mean that we count the diagonal pattern to the downside here in a slightly different way, and I would count then the move down as some kind of an ABC pattern. So I'm going to show you that as well. So if we count it as an ABC, I would also still see this as a 1-2 setup, but then would say the wave 3 is actually still ongoing. The wave 4 hasn't even started yet, so we would actually have a pattern like this, and we would count the subwaves as ABC. So here I would count this as an A wave, then here the wave B up, and the wave C would follow down. But it wouldn't really change the scenario too much. Just wanted to make sure that you understand that this is a possibility as well. To be honest, I think this is actually even more likely. So I'm gonna stay with that pattern that we say this was an A wave. Here will be the retracements are similar, and the C wave down is to follow. And yeah, that's how I would see it. Generally, looking at this here, at any moment we could turn around, but again, we could push up a bit higher. First of all, 91 cents would be very much possible. 95 would be the extreme. Yeah, 95, 96. But generally, I think we are in this move down in a wave 2 now, and we haven't seen the low yet, unless we now move higher and break out impulsively above 96 cents. Then I would have to say that the low was most likely already in here in a wave 2, but it would not be a very likely or nice pattern. I think it would be good actually to now, with all this mess that happened here, to come down, make a new low, not below the June low, but a new low here in this yellow area between 47 and 69 cents. Would be good if this C wave of 2 goes below the A wave, and that was at basically 70 cents. Okay, and that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.